Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best solar water heaters available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 3 we have SunHeater Solar Water Heater. A SunHeater Solar heating system is the cost-effective way to warm your pool. It is capture-free heat from the sun's rays to raise your water temperature 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. This universal system is suitable for both in-ground or above-ground pools. The heating panels are made from durable polypropylene. It is designed for easy DIY installation and increases pool temperatures as much as 15 F. The liquid heat shield locks in heat by reducing pool water evaporation. You can simply add the amount designated for your pool using the easy-to-read markings on the bottle. At number 2 we have SunHeater Solar Water Heater. The SunHeater Solar Pool heating system allows you to capture free heat from the sun's rays to effectively raise your pool water temperature. It's an efficient and cost-effective method to heat your pool. Your pool's pump pushes the water through the panel's many tubes where it's warmed by the sun and then returned into the pool. This system can raise the water temperature 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit and extend your pool season by weeks. This pool solar heater uses your existing filtration system and has 4 end caps, 2 elbows for flex hose connection, 6 stainless steel hose clamps, 1 roll of Teflon tape and rubber connector hoses. The web tube design allows the SunHeater to capture the most sun possible, maximizing square footage. It offers rigid flexibility that allowing panels to expand and contract with changing temps, giving it the strength needed to last. At number 1 we have SmartPool Solar Water Heater. Its heating panels are made from durable polypropylene. It is designed for easy DIY installation and increases pool temperatures as much as 15 F. You can apply and remove your solar blanket quickly and easily with the advanced reel systems. The pool accessory is perfect for heating any in-ground swimming pool. This panel array measures 4 feet wide by 20 feet long, and raises pool water temperature 6 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best solar water heaters for your need.